friends, welcome back to our channel and welcome if you're new. I'm Angie and in today's video we're going to be organizing a linen closet. If you missed my last few videos, I was in a decluttering process of our home, cleaning out things that we didn't need anymore, and now I'm ready to organize. And organization and decluttering in my mind are two totally different things, and so now I want to organize and get the house working so that it can really help us to save time and money, because we know what we have and we have a place for it, and I've been wanting to do this for a while and today is the day. So if you're looking for tips and tricks to organize your own space, I hope that you'll join us for organizing this linen closet. So I did run to Walmart and I picked up a few things to help me organize the space. They have so many things available and it was hard to narrow it down and to get certain things. So I picked up probably more than I need, but I will use that in other closets throughout the house. So let me show you what I picked up and what my plan is for that, and then let's get started on this linen closet, cleaning it out and getting it organized so that it can help us and just be clean and nice and bring us joy when we open the linen closet door. So here are some things that I picked up to help me organize the space, and I'm just going to be honest with y'all, I love all of the options that are available for organizing, and it just makes my heart happy to get this stuff and to get this space organized. So I'm really excited about these. I've never tried them before, but I have seen people all over Instagram use these, and it just looks like a really nice way to organize your bed linens. So I love the look of them. Brown with this leather strap, and they just keep everything really neat and organized. I will show you how that works in just a minute. I did pick up two of these. I thought they would be perfect, either holding washcloths or hand towels. You could put toilet tissue, Kleenex, all kinds of stuff in there. And you can label them, which is nice to keep everything in its own place. And then I did pick up this large drawer, and I'm really excited about using these. So they stack, and you can use them in a closet, in a bathroom, in a kitchen. They're just really nice. And then you can label this, and the drawer pulls out. You can just put stuff in there. So I'm really excited about that one. And then these, I picked these up. I just love the texture on them, and I love the color. And you can also put labels on these. I did pick up some labels, so I'll have to show you those. I don't have them right here with me, but I did get labels for these. I'm not sure what I'll put in this. I just need to get the closet cleaned out so I can see what I have and what I need to store. And then that brings me to this little printer that has helped me so much with my organizing. This is the Nelko PM230 mini portable printer, and I just want to say thank you to Nelko for sponsoring today's video. This mini printer has been so nice, and I've just had a lot of fun figuring it out and just letting my imagination run wild so that I can just come up with different things to use this printer for. So let me show you some of the things that I've done with it and just share how fun this little printer is. This portable printer comes with 3 rolls of sticker paper, and they are very easy to load into the printer. And after you load your sticker paper into the printer, you just hit the on button and you are ready to print. My printer came fully charged, but you may want to charge it up before you use it. Then you download the Nelko app. There are so many fun templates on this app that you can print on your little printer. So there's so many different categories. I love the learning category. So many fun graphics that you can print off. And then I needed to do some organizing, so I just found this picture of clips and just printed it on my printer. I was really impressed at the quality of the print. It just was very detailed and it came out really nice. And I just took this little sticker and this container of clips and I just stuck the little sticker on the front of that so it keeps it organized and you know what's in this container. But at this point, I was having so much fun with this little printer that I just kept on printing off things and just having a lot of fun with it. I was also excited to find out that this printer prints photos, and so I took the opportunity to print a picture of our sweet Annabelle. And since this is printed on sticker paper, you could add this to scrapbooks or journals and just add that fun little touch to your creative projects. In case you are interested in one of these portable mini printers, I will leave all the information for you in the description box below. And thank you again, Nelko, for sponsoring today's video. This is the linen closet that I'm working with today. This is in our master bathroom, and as you can tell, it has just got into a jumbled up mess. So I'm going to work on it today and get it all cleaned out. I start with pulling everything out of the closet and just putting it here on the bed so that I know what is what and what I want to keep and what I want to get rid of. And this way I'm starting with a clean slate, a clean closet, and now I can work with my organizing tools and get this closet working well for us. I am so excited to give these sheet organizers a try in our closet to see if they work well for us. And I am so impressed with them. They keep our sheets organized and dust free. And I don't know about you, but before our sheets just got all mixed up, they would just get all jumbled in the closet. And so I'm excited to give these organizers a try. I just start out by folding all of the sheets up, and I put one set of sheets per organizer, and I do believe if you had twin sheets you could fit more than one set in this, but these were queen sheets and they held one set, which was very good for us because that way I can keep them really organized and know where my linen sheets and my flannel sheets are at all times. So then you just stack them into the organizer and then it zips up so it keeps it in there nice and neat. And then you can just fold over the sides and it hooks by Velcro. It's just a really neat design and it makes my heart happy to see all of my sheets organized. Then it also gives you a spot to label. So I took that opportunity to label all of my sheets so that I know what is in each organizer and I can just look at it and tell, and it's just so nice to have it organized and nice and neat. I really love this clear organizer and it's perfect for our toilet tissue. I'll just label the front of it with our sticker label, and these would be perfect holding toilet tissue, Kleenex. You could use them in your kitchen, in your laundry room, and they are very inexpensive. These little totes I used to store our washcloths. They hold a good amount of washcloths. And then for the next one, I just loaded it up with hand towels, and it works perfect for this. These are the labels that I talked about earlier, and they are just really nice label holders. And so I just grabbed one for each of these baskets and put a sticker label on each one, and they fit perfectly on the front of these baskets and keep everything nice, labeled, and organized. And now for the fun part of adding everything into the closet. We did remove that top shelf so that my organizers would work in here, but I love how neat and organized these keep everything and how I can just glance at the label and know where everything is. And then I realized that I'm going to have extra room in this closet, which is very exciting because I can add more things in here to keep organized. And I add my washcloths and my hand towels. And as I'm editing this video, I realize how ratty my towels look. So I'm on the hunt for more towels. Leave me a comment and let me know where you get your favorite towels. And then the stackable drawer has easily turned into one of my favorite organizers. And just to remember the before of this closet, it was really bad. And I'm so glad I got it looking better. And then this is the after. I'm so proud of what this looks like and how I organized it on a budget, and now I know where everything is. It is a joy to open this closet and see where everything is and how everything is nice and organized. Since everything is organized, I now have lots of space left over in this closet that I can add other things from different areas that have gotten cluttered and just out of order. But for right now, I'm just going to enjoy the extra space. Well, friends, that about wraps up this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this type of content, please give us a thumbs up. It helps out our channel so much. Also, be sure to check the link in the description box below for the Nelko mini portable printer. It can help you with organizing, journaling, and so much more. As always, thank y'all so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye-bye.